Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia, and today I'll be trimming my hair. You're probably wondering why I look so crazy, and it's because I was already just trimming my hair, but I figured why not just record it. I've only done 3 sections of my hair so far, and this is just how the ends are looking. I don't really trim that much of my hair off, so I didn't really think that you guys would care to see how much hair I take off. I literally take off 1/4 of an inch of hair. I washed my hair about over a week ago and I haven't moisturized it since. So as I'm re-moisturizing my hair, I'm just trimming my hair in the process. And what am I using? Oh, I'm just using these scissors that I got from the hair store, and they just look like this. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I only trim my hair once a year. I was supposed to do it in December. Usually I trim my hair every December, but last month I was in the middle of doing a hair growth experiment or a hair growth challenge. It didn't work out. So here I am in January trimming my hair. So yeah, I have 3 different sections, and I'm just gonna use those sections as reference. I don't really care about how even my hair is whenever I trim it. I just cut, so I never straighten my hair anyway, so there's no reason for me to want my hair to be like completely blunt or completely even, because I don't really care about that. My hair is really dry though, guys. This is what happens when you don't moisturize your hair. So today I'll be moisturizing my hair with the TGIN Daily Moisturizer, as well as my handy dandy olive oil hair grease. Every time I'm moisturizing my hair, I use these to moisturize. If you're a returning subscriber, you're probably familiar with these products or familiar with the fact that I use them. So yeah, these are the products that I'm going to use to moisturize my hair. I usually go in with the TGIN first, and then I top it with the hair grease. So I'm not sure if I ever mentioned this, but it usually takes me about 10 minutes to an hour to detangle each section, depending on how thick it is. Usually the sections in the back of my head take the longest because they're more coarse. This particular section that I'm working on right now took me 10 minutes to do, but if I include the 3 parts that it takes to make one braid, it would total up to about 30 minutes. So it took me 30 minutes to do the whole braid, but 10 minutes to do each part. Alright guys, so like I said before, I don't really cut a lot of my hair whenever I do trim. I only cut what I feel like needs to be cut. I'm not one of those types of people who like to just cut my hair for no reason and think, oh my gosh, it's gonna grow back healthier than what I cut. No, my hair is healthy. I keep my hair in braids pretty much the whole year, so there's no reason for my hair to be unhealthy to begin with. I just like to dust my ends once a year because I do find that I get a lot of knotted ends, so I just like to cut off those knots once a year. I don't get a lot of them to the point where I need to cut off majority of my hair, which is why I just dust them. I like to have my hair out like this because it makes me feel like all my hair strands are somewhat even. Okay, so after I stretch it out, and then I just cut literally this much hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's literally all the hair I cut off. All right guys, so this is just how my hair is looking like after I trim it. Pretty evened out for this section. Each section of my hair gets cut like that. I cut every single section of my hair just like this, and I don't really care if they're all even. I'm not gonna really talk much throughout this video. I'm gonna detangle, moisturize, and then cut. If you're new to my channel, I'm really heavy-handed when it comes to applying product to my hair because I don't moisturize my hair often. I usually try to moisturize my hair every 2 to 3 weeks, but sometimes I can go a month without moisturizing my hair. But I'm trying to not do that anymore because I'm going back to my strict schedule of washing my hair once a month. Anyways, about 1/4 of an inch, guys. And I do this every year. You guys can already see the side is already shrinking. But yeah, I love the feeling of after you trim your hair. That feeling that I get when I run my fingers down my hair and it just like slides and glides right out because everything's just so nice. Ugh, I love this feeling. I really do. Makes me feel accomplished. Like, I love it. Alright guys, so this is just how my hair is looking. My hair looks very shiny and healthy, and I'm probably not gonna have to moisturize my hair for another 2 weeks. I've been moisturizing my hair since about 12 p.m. and now it is 7:30 on the dot. So it takes me about 8 hours to moisturize my hair. Wow, that's a very long time. But I'm not gonna be moisturizing my hair for a very long time anyways, about 2 weeks. It's just nice. So yeah, that's just how my hair is looking. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video watching me trim my hair. Yeah, I don't really trim that much hair off my head. I don't think that I need to, because in my opinion, I feel like my hair is healthy and I don't believe in cutting your hair for no reason. I'm gonna show you guys how much hair I lost while detangling my hair. My hair was so dry. That's probably why it took me forever. It was so dry and matted for some reason that it took me a really long time to get all those knots out of my hair. If I had to show you guys the amount of hair that I trimmed off my head, it would probably be like half the size of this tiny little ball. I don't really trim that much off, but this is the amount of hair that I lost, like shed and breakage, because my hair was so dry. Lord Jesus Christ, I need to stop doing this. But this is how my hair is looking. It looks very healthy. This is usually what I go for when I wear my hair in the braids. Yeah, I think it's really cute. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns regarding anything that I said in this video, definitely comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. I try to answer all comments within a timely manner, and I'll see you guys next time.